Good morning students, class plus 2 commerce, subject accountancy. तो let's start आज topic नया, that is cash flow statement. तो let us understand the meaning of cash flow statement. Flow means movement. Movement may be inflow, may be outflow. Means cash flow statement means such a statement which shows movement of cash during an accounting period. So movement may be inflow or may be outflow of cash. Remember this cash flow statement, it is prepared under Accounting Standard 3 Revised. So what does Accounting Standard 3 Revised says? Let us further proceed. So here its meaning is given. Cash flow statement is a statement that shows the cash flows, that is inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalents. Now there is a term cash equivalents during the accounting period from operating, investing and financing activities. As I have earlier stated, this cash flow statement, it is prepared under Accounting Standard 3 Revised. So Accounting Standard 3 Revised says cash flow statement is a statement which shows movement of cash and cash equivalents during an accounting period from three types of activities. One, operating, second, investing, and third one is financing activities. Now question arises, what do you mean by cash equivalents? So let us understand its meaning. कैश इक्विवेलेंट्स आर, देखो यहां पे मैंने इजी वर्डिंग में लिख दिया मीनिंग. कैश इक्विवेलेंट्स आर हाईली लिक्विड शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट्स which can be easily converted into cash within a short period of 3 months. So instruments, there are various instruments of money markets. If their maturity period is up to 3 months or less than 3 months, they are considered as cash equivalents like treasury bills, certificate of deposits, cash in hand, cash at bank, etc. These are considered under cash equivalents. So let's proceed further. So as we know, cash flow statement is prepared according to the Accounting Standard 3 Revised. It is also called AS3 Revised. So cash flow statement prescribes the cash flow statement. This accounting standard prescribes that cash flow statement may be prepared by using two methods. One is called direct method, other one is called indirect method. You have to remember this thing in mind कि direct method now not in syllabus, but indirect method it is well in syllabus. So we are going to prepare cash flow statement by using indirect method. It shows basically, it divides basically all business activities into three parts: operating, investing and financing. So let us see what are the meaning of these three activities. तो एक बार अगले पार्ट को समझाता हूं बेटा मैं आपको. इतना तो पता चल गया कि कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट इज अ स्टेटमेंट विच शोज मूवमेंट ऑफ कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट्स ड्यूरिंग एन अकाउंटिंग पीरियड फ्रॉम ऑल द थ्री एक्टिविटीज. नाउ क्वेश्चन arises, what are the objectives of preparing cash flow statement? So let's see. Number one, first objective is to find out inflow of cash या sources of cash or receipts of cash and cash equivalents under operating, investing and financing activities. यानी first basic purpose is to identify what amount of inflow of cash from all the three activities. In the same manner, what amount of outflow of cash is there from all the three activities: operating, investing and financing. And third objective is to find out net change. Net change means opening balance of cash and cash equivalent will be different. During the year, through all the three activities, we have received something different. And what amount will be at the end of the accounting period of cash and cash equivalents. So to find out that change, this cash flow statement is prepared. Hopefully you are able to understand today what we have discussed, beta, meaning of cash flow statement and its objectives. So for today, I think it is quite sufficient. Tomorrow we are going to discuss its importance and limitation. That's all.